This week, we embark on a journey of exploration of the sensual spirit found in the paintings of Carlos Schwabe. My intention here is to explore the techniques and concepts that make Schwabe's art so sensually captivating. Carlos Schwabe was a Swiss painter known for his bold and innovative combination of dream and mythology with female figures. He lived between the years 1866 and 1926. Learning to paint sensual works inspired by Carlos Schwabe is the exploration of desire, intimacy, and a profound connection that binds us as human beings. We learn from his artworks to blend sensuality with spirituality to create a fresh lens to explore the complexity of eroticism. Carlos Schwabe's sensual paintings are a celebration of humanity in its most intimate form. They invite us to confront our own desires. They seduce us to explore the intricate dance of love and passion that defines our existence. Schwabe's works serve us as a powerful reminder of the beauty that lies within vulnerability and the transformative power of embracing our own erotic self. By drawing inspiration from Schwabe's artistry, we learn to create works that resonate with the richness of human experience, the art that invites viewers to engage in the profound dialogue of love and desire. Schwabe's art challenges social norms that are surrounding sexuality. It promotes open dialogue about intimacy and desire. By presenting the human body in all forms, being flawed, beautiful, or expressive, it dismantles the stigma that is often associated with erotic art. His work celebrates the human condition and encourages us to embrace our own desires without shame and to express our experiences authentically. Schwabe creates dreamlike landscapes that are often inhabited by ethereal figures. He blurs the boundaries between the physical and the spiritual worlds to put our minds into dreaming. Sometimes he uses delicate lines and mutes colors to infuse his figures with a sense of grace and fluidity. This way, he invites the observer to immerse themselves in a world of beauty and seduction. Each brushstroke seems to echo the pulse of life, capturing moments of longing and connection that are intimate yet universal. Schwabe's portrayal of female figures is particularly striking as they embody both sensuality and strength. Through their poses and expressions, they convey a wide range of emotions, from passion and ecstasy to vulnerability and surrender. This emotional depth encourages viewers to reflect on their own experiences of love and desire. It makes the artwork deeply personal and relatable to the audience. Schwabe's canvases draw inspiration for us to capture complex feelings, reminding us that the human experience is rich with nuance and beauty. Through the use of symbols, Schwabe elevates the regular worldly themes to a spiritual realm in his erotic paintings. He often incorporates mythological elements such as angels and nymphs, which serve as metaphors for the divine aspects of love and lust. This inspires us to explore the intersection of the erotic and the sacred in our own artworks. It encourages us to see eroticism not merely as a physical act, but as a profound connection to the universe and to each other. Schwabe was born in Altona, Holstein. He moved to Geneva, Switzerland at an early age where he received the Swiss nationality. After studying art in Geneva, he moved to Paris and began working as a wallpaper designer. By the time he was 26 years old, he was one of the painters of the famous Salon de la Rose. Aside from paintings, Schwabe illustrated many literary works that became popular for their symbolist illustrations. Many of his works are presently in the permanent collections of major museums, including Musée d'Orsay in Paris, Art and History Museum in Geneva, and the National Museum of Bellas Artes in Rio de Janeiro, to name a few. Schwabe received the French Legion of Honor in 1902 and lived in France for the rest of his life. At the time of his death in Avon, Seine-et-Marne, he was 60 years old. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more artistic explorations. In case you'd like to learn about the painting technique of your favorite artists, please let me know below.